Hmm. Good morning, oh, my wonderful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know fit wait to start early today because uh, my body don't dig ground. Quick, quick, quick. I know the waste time today at all. Ah, so as the weather don't get cold now, we know say we don't ready for action with that. So today we go warm all of una up well. We go warm una up well. Because today we dey do small one kind globe trotting. From London here, we go to from London here we go to Biko Biko wait make I start this make I sort this make I sort her out. Wetin do am now? Abeg no vex. Na my phone wan scatter ground. Oh yeah, I know wetin I go do there. Okay, make I just drop one gbedu for now. Make we dey take that one dey warm up while I sort out this my other phone. We don start oh. Good Okay, my people. Hey, I don't go far, go dig this one out. And this one we go take wash out, begin the show today. You know the gist around our new background. Now I want to be out for life. As you did there, so today we go travel. We go go to Ireland, Republic of Ireland. We go interview our very special guest, our first guest today. The name na Chief Mrs. Mercy Sule. This woman they do a lot of philanthropic work, very hardworking woman. We dey also interview her husband. After we go to Ghana. Yes, we go to Ghana, go interview another member of Mrs. Sule's network, Pastor Michael. Today we go dey very busy. And when we come finish now, for 11 o'clock, our special guest na the originator, the creator of Waiting Day radio station. So we will dey busy today. Our people they try for Obodo Ibo. So make I no waste time. This is the song of Celestine Uku, Mwani Bebu. Make you no mind my Igbo, I dey practice am well. Okay now. Ife meme na ibuko baya. Meme Yes, that now the music of the late Celestine Oku, fantastic tune, evergreen song. Make we go to another island king, but this one I don't go tell you the name. My first guest day on our way. Another competition. The first one where I do on a fail and well. I want to know the person where sing this song and the title of the track. And I go need to dig deep before you know this one. Make I leave am for you. Make it happen. Adeyinka Ilemobade, I see you, my brother. Olushola Orekoya, my darling sister. Good morning. Come on, bed. My good friend, Bosu Johnson International. Good morning to you, my brother. Come on, Robert. Come on, roll, my brother. I see you. Anybody that can name the singer, the artist that sang this song, and the title of the song, one mix CD on the way to you. No Shazam. I beg, no, maybe Shazam this one we go know. This one said no day for Shazam. On behalf of the engine room, and they welcome on us today. DJ Alexo, DJ Adex, the ultimate, and yours truly, DJ Josilan Babaniya International. We welcome you this morning. My first guest now, Chief Mrs. Mercy Sule, all the way from the Republic of Ireland. We dey wait for her. She go soon land. DJ Alexo, welcome abroad. We see you. I see you, my brother. As we wait for our guest now, I will try to invite our second guest just in case. Chuks Baba, Chukwu Emeka Iwokoro, my brother Chuks, longest time. I see you, my brother. Make with a pleasure to this night to do music from Akpola King himself, Idowu Animashaun, Akpola Super. Let's go there. Yes, so we done. We just wait for our guests. Now 3 of them we go interview today.
àwọn tó wá gbèdé gbẹ̀yọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ bàṣàbàtìkè kẹyẹkẹyẹ máa bò. Èmi lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó wá gbèdé gbẹ̀yọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ bàṣàbàtìkè kẹyẹkẹyẹ máa bò.
Well, my people, as you did, well, as it, now so we dey say am. The plan be say make we know the plan be say make we know the make calls during the show, but my guests are not responding, so I have to change them. DJ Alexo, please, if you are listening, check your WhatsApp message. Help me chase my client. Help me chase my guest, DJ Alexo. The first person to chase is Chief Mrs. Mercy Sule. Adeshiji Oyefuwa, my brother from another mother. Welcome to the show. I dey hail you. Yes, sir. DJ Alexo, I don't send the links to them, but they never respond. So just tell them to use the link, and I'm here.
Bàbá bímọ sílẹ̀ àjèrè. Ọmọdé rí dọ́jú bí àjànàkú ní ọjọ́.
As we dey wait.
Ó yẹ ká jìnnà sí ìyàbí lọ́jẹ̀ kí o máa wáṣẹ́.
Now wow, we still dey wait for our guests. But we don't dey chase them up. They go join us soon. Make you dey help me dey pleasure to this one.
Àwọn kọ́kọ́ ogún orin. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kọ́ ogún orin. Àwọn kọ́kọ́ bọ̀ orin o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kọ́ bọ̀ orin.
Yes, my brother DJ Alexo, help me try Mr. Flames Sule. Mr. Flames Sule. And you can also try Pastor Michael, all by WhatsApp. Any one of them that comes on board, I'm happy to proceed. Thank you, DJ Aleto. My people, I get good news for you. They tell me, say, our guests, they join now. Our guests, they on the way. As soon as she join us, we go start the program. Thank you very much, DJ Aleto. Make they follow me, they chase, they help me, they chase Mr. Flame Sule and also Pastor Michael in Ghana. All via WhatsApp call, please. A lot of us don't know say correct juju music like this day for yesteryear, so do they feel up? This now Apollo King himself. Ìdòwú Animation. Kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ọmọ mi ò ṣe sí pẹpẹrẹ, èmi ni mo bí. Bí ẹgbọ́n mi ò dá, òun la bí mi lé. Àbúrò mi ò ṣe nìyàn, òun la bí lé.
Yes, sir. DJ Aleto, help me tell the lady, say I don't send the link. She can use any of the two links. I just sent another one now. Thank you.
Àwa tí ó ṣọmọ gan.
Ọmọ àlè kó tó dáyé.
Orí òwe, ìlú òwe.
Àwa tí ṣọmọ kan, ọmọ àlè kó tó dáyé. Yes, sir. Come on, brother.
Ìlú òwe, àwa tí ó ṣọmọ gan.
DJ Aleto, you might as well talk her through. She might be having problem joining. Talk her through the joining procedure, please. Thanks, Alexo. God bless you, sir. So once she gets through, you can go to the other two and talk them through as well, one by one. Thank you. My people make you know best, so they talk say the person wey patient pass, I dey chop better food. As we dey here, so our guests they try join us. No be say she no dey try, but you know, say sometimes water dey pass garri. But no worry. Our guests, she dey come. She go join us very, very soon.
Akáṣọ lérí mọ bí òwúrẹ̀.
Make I greet my people. I hope say this cold weather no knock on too much. Mr. Olutoye Muiwa today, God bless you, sir. Always a pleasure. My dear brother from another mother, Innocent Maybele, Inno Baba, I see you. I don't know what they happen today. Ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé.
Ìyàwó ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé.
Ìyàwó ta ló ń WhatsApp ẹ́ tọkọ rẹ ò sílé. Iná ṣẹlẹ̀.
Má ṣe ṣojo, má ṣe ṣojo. Ìyàwó ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé. Ìyàwó ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé. Ìyàwó ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé. Ìyàwó ta ló ń pè ẹ́ o tọkọ rẹ ò sílé.
I don't know what thing they happen today. Our guests don't suppose join us now. And people don't full ground the way. Now wow. You don't shut it out. Yes, so my pastor, you dey hear me so? Can you hear me, Pastor Michael?
They hear you well.
Hey, now my pastor be there.
I hear you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my pastor. No vex, eh? The thing come dey one kind today. Chief Mrs. Mercy Sule. Now we won't bring and call first. Then make we bring his husband. Then make we bring you. But it be like say connection from the side. You know too well. So as we dey wait for them to join now, we don't cross over to Ghana. Now Ghana we dey so now Pastor Michael they join us live and direct from Ghana now. How you doing, my brother?
I'll say just be.
So our viewers, make you bear with us. There's like a 10 seconds or 20 second delay.
How the work they go?
With the manager here, with the manager well. Oga Madam don't come now. Make I add Oga Madam. My brother, with a pusher. With a pusher, don't be small thing. You see Oga Madam now. Oga Madam don't join us. So. Hey, my darling sister, Lola Aishida Owoshika, God bless you. Always a pleasure. Madam, what's the purpose delay now? It be like say when we send you to Harrods for the makeup. Yes. The makeup girls, it be like say that they do slow. Ladies and gentlemen, on a good morning again. These are two of my.
I'm not sabi as on our practice. You not see your girl where they 50 for you for.
No what?
It is where.
No worry. We don't knock them now. We don't get them. So hopefully you don't know how to do them now. In case if the network drop, you know what we go do. So my guy,
the network.
You don't send them to Oga.
Yes, we don't send them to Oga. So DJ Alexo, help me. Thank you very much. Help me call up Mr. Mr. Sule. Yeah, help me call up Mr. Sule and help me talk him through. So make himself join us. Make it the four of us. So, madam, good
Yes, sir.
morning. Good morning.
Good
All the
morning,
way
sir.
from Ireland, though. Tell us where you dey now. They talk to us.
I dey Ireland. I dey a place where people don't even know for Ireland, where they call Virginia. So when I told say I dey Virginia, they think say in America dey, but not Virginia, cover Virginia, Ireland get Virginia. So I dey Virginia, County Carver, sir.
That's the place where billionaires they live. In fact, the place there
Now people place so.
the place they prohibited for millionaires. If you are millions, no reach billion, you know if you enter the place. Right, because we don't lose half our time now, so we go make a sharp. So very briefly, madam, give us introduce yourself again.
Okay.
Give us brief background about yourself. We dey always want to know about you now. When they grow up, all the guys where you don't beat for area, you go tell us how that. Then quickly tell us about how the journey carry you reach Obodo Oyibo. Tell us about your project. Your project, very important. Very quickly, please.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. When you take bring me coming. My name now. Yes, I go. My name now Triple Chief. I dey proud of her. Triple Chief, Dr. Mrs. Mercy Eguriase Sule.
Thank you.
They born me for Sapele, Delta State, Nigeria. But my state of origin na Ethiopia. I be pure Urobo woman at that.
And you know they carry last.
I Sapele not the carry last, and I Sapele water drink. They grow up. So now so it be. So
yeah. How the journey come carry you come reach Obodo Island now?
The journey to come my brother with you. I know say some people go hear me because when I enter years back, maybe I talk the year now, we go to dead direct. So make I cut it the year come out, bros. When I enter UK, my person now, when he supposed speak me, he called my auntie precisely. He can't abandon me for Heathrow Airport. They abandoned me and I £5 now carry and I did small. You know, years ago, you understand? I did tiny. When I reach the airport, I can't call her. The number where they write for me say, see, I don't enter. You know, say Johnny that time, Percy Pali, you go put your picture. You understand? More do the put your picture inside, and I rent her for one banker that time. So when I can't reach the airport, Heathrow Airport, my dear brother, they abandon me. You call this one no, you call this one no. Now so I call suffer, and I £5. I know Sabi use the money, no village gateway, just cut and I can't go for boot. No saying I die put. For come kill me for inside for boot. One doctor for UK, if they hear me today, bros, I don't say the way you do for me, we disconnect ourselves, no number to reach you. But God Almighty, go bless you. That woman where you pick for phone booth, you don't become the. In fact, now madam pass madam now. So I did kudos and I they pray for that man. The man can't see me, carry picking go doctor place before. Now he can't see me for phone booth. When did they go? You see me. He come back as he open the phone booth. I'd already fed. Now he shout say this person they die yo. Now they carry me go. No say na hunger too. They come carry me go restaurants. May they come buy me hot tea. Now he say carry picking cause how you go do this matter? The man begin run up and down. Go shop, go buy me jackets. I don't wear jacket. Now unless I wear come. They not tell me say wear jacket. Agent when he do the runs, he not tell me bros. So now go run buy jacket.
Now we late.
Now late I wear no sweater. They call us a papeko. I know. So yes, so bros, now the man come buy me sweater. Cause if he carry me go house, his wife go say, now arrange you say I be junior wife. So he called they contact one of the, knowing that he is a doctor. So he called they contact one of his doctor friends where they go Celestial Church of God. Now it's Church of Christ. Like I say, he get one woman for you. She's homeless. Everybody abandon her. I won't take carry and go now. So that doctor called say they do their harvest. That time, oh, say make it shatter another. So this man called shatter cab with his own son when he carry go clinical, you know. Now him they call carry me far. The man for waiting I witness so now 70 pounds. Now he paid the cab man. May you know I say the place where for carry me. He fine go the Celestial Church. As I reach there, now the call tell the mama so some homeless people did there. Now Imo, now they begin they attend to me for there. Supply people can't get involved. They can say, one of our sister there, yo, you know, with many help. Even that people I can't sick, when they can't carry me go hospital, King's College Hospital, big King's Hospital. They can't tell me for then. I want doctor tell me say, if I stay there, they go deport me. If as I did now, they carry my load, they waka. You get it. So at that time, one woman that they call Mrs. Julie, God bless her, to now worry woman, and she can't carry me. God, they find my relative where they why they go do this kind of thing to me. My papa can't get it, make I come back. They say, come back home. No evil stay again. You know, but supply people where they UK gather themselves up. Oh yeah, gather money, do pali, everything. Later, my auntie come. He call Joyce her money. You understand where the pressure not too much. When phone call for home left and right, he can't join money, put her so that they can small thing, no. Now I can't pass through UK, enter Belfast, then you robot people for here, Loretta, Omoyoma, you know. So wife of Amlela Tefa is in UK now. She left Ireland, she was in Ireland before. So now she can't host me, now she can't carry me. So now there also I can't call you. Now go convent or nani or you I can welcome me because you see they see me so that be like Oyibo. Now Reverend sister can embrace me. So now convent I can stay. They pass me, you know. From there I can start my life. Now I call this so.
Now very interesting story. You see, people when they see us here for Obodo Oyibo, that they think say when we wake up in the morning, we'll go garden, go to pluck gold from tree. They just ask when they walk up for street with they pick gold for floor, but they don't know the story where they be. Every single one of us where they Obodo Oyibo, we get story to tell.
Yes,
Not be small thing. So yes, the thing where I won't call let our people know about Ona today be say after going through all these challenges where Ona go through, Ona now God don't bless Ona. Ona be somebody before. Ona now don't become even senior somebody. So Ona now come they give back to community. So without, because we get another person waiting for the next slot. Without wasting more time, sharp, tell us about the projects where you they do now. In the meantime, make I quickly greet DJ Steven, my amiable president, and greet you, DJ Tony T in the building. Thank you, all you guys. So I welcome on today. Yeah, tell us about the projects where you they do now, all the projects where they do for humanitarian projects where they do, and how it takes start. Quickly, tell us about it. All the places where you did, and that is where Pastor Michael will come in, because in there for Ghana, they represent on a charity. So yes, quickly, without much ado. In the meantime, DJ Alexo, please continue to chase Mr. Tule for me, Biko. God bless you.
Go on, madam. What happen be say, I be only get when they miss of 4 boys. And when I growing up time, I see my papa, they call her also me, father of all, mama also, you know, I see that thing where my papa, they carry everybody inside the house. That thing called to me say, I like people, and I really like people. So when they travel, go Nigeria, they come for inside hotel when I day. No, they do inside hotel when I day. I buy food for people when I see there. I can't buy food for this brother. Now I can say, Mama, I they follow me talk. I say yes. So along the line, when they go, I can't give her money. So when they go, I can't hear noise, talk for outside the gate. You know me, I can't come out. I say, come out, I can't find out. Say, now picking when they carry, go borrow money. Now the family, the mama go there, because the pikin over eats, and they force am go the marriage. When I come meet, I come dey ask say, first I dey speak Oyibo. I say no, Oyibo no go help this matter. Wetin dey happen? They say, show you no know this Warri, this Udu area, all this Urobo area. Now wetin they do now? I say wetin happen? No, say this pikin oga, he papa get 3 wives. When he get 3 wives, so the mama na second wife. So the brother can't commit this girl. So this particular girl might be my first girl for girl child marriage. If my brother commit crime, so they can't borrow money for this family hand, because when he reach the time to pay, they not be paid. That time na 130,000 naira. So now papa can say, every mala with ticket, you are your pikin. Now you born now your pikin they cause trouble and not get money to pay. The woman not get choice. Now he could give the pikin. So the man will borrow their money, 130,000. As I hear that on my spirit verse, I say, no, I not get gay, I not get brother, I not get junior sister. This pikin, I must take her come up for this marriage. Now now I fight, buru, 130. Now tell us, oh yeah, make them stand with me, make the brothers they stand with me, make we go fight the fight. Not be small, oh bros. They trust to many diabolical things where they use say, I go come out the wife. When he do, I return the money back. I give her that money. I say take, and I can't take the girl come up for marriage for there. Now begin, now enter the small girls. Only they call the rock come up for their husband. I say, mama save life. They one place. So if they take you to borrow money or they force you go marriage, call they look for her. Now so they say they work themselves. When I come be mama, call they do get child marriage, call they go their place, they visit their parents. Some you get one of my girl where they pay with Timbers carton of Indomie and 50,000. Let they take her and go marriage. Now so I still come out. So with that, they call they go out because many in fact different parts call they connect to themselves. From Misoko, they go run leave 2 children, they go come meet me. But when I know say I genuinely say they first they go the marriage, some of them are 30, 40, 50. And they return the money, and they tell the papa, and they tell the man, say, do your worst. You not fit do me anything. As long as they stand to save lives, you cannot do me anything. So that's why I take collect all these my girls there. I get plenty grandchildren, so I put them for work. Some they learn sewing, some they do makeup, some they sell for store. Why some they do tailoring? So now what I call they do? Then that is aside. Then the sickle cell anemia. You know, say, bros, you know, say many of us we can remarry. Many of us we don't know our genotype. Many of us we don't know our blood group. Even though they tell you because say you love now, you go say it don't matter. It don't matter. And I see take full everywhere. Every 5 homes, you must see at least 3 sickle cell for one home. For that, all those homes. So when I come find out I did Europe, I do healthcare, I come say, these medicines there when they give for year, when make why children for home not get access to, make a take challenge. Now so I come to register sickle cell journal. You understand? So because we get her for our home. So the antibiotic, the folic acid, the penicillin, the folic acid, the vitamin D, smoothie. I can't add my personal smoothie contact company. So that smoothie now to build their immune system. Because you know, say they're fragile, they not get strength. So now I say enter the sickle cell because their parents they abandoned them. The office say now the children now it cause the problem. Meanwhile, now you are your partner. When una love will kill me that now it cause the problem to the pikin. But you and other thing again, the family of the man they always they there against the woman wey born sickle cell. But not be the woman fault now. Now wetin your pikin with a get together. This one are AS, this one are AS. Wetin they go come get? Not be SS. Too much thing. They cause wahala now. They say so now him. So now call they do the awareness. Every right now, other Bemis Foundation, we get 15 sickle cell children where only with the handle, with the help of my husband, God will bless her. We not get helper. We not get nobody they support. All their medicine, the food, the house, their school, their education. Now only me and my husband they carry her. Sometimes I go cry, give my people from Malaysia. Some of my boys, my girls, they go say, mommy, okay, make I send you something. I don't cry tire for Urobo. Nobody they help me. I don't write, especially Christmas time when I can't still get office. When I call they take care of the old people. It's called Bemis Food Bank. It dey auto kutu worry. I get office where with the load food they give the most vulnerable people where we say nobody they care for them. I still they give them food. I write to all the robo unions for UK. Nobody answer me. I don't cry. Some of these politicians because I'm a politician. You know, I contested for House of Assembly, but I have to step down for some of my close brother. You understand? So not be say if I enter before I for win, but you know, I just like to give them. So I'm a strong PDP member. I don't cry, tire, nobody they give. So when you call me for this page, this thing, oh, I said, God, don't answer prayer. As me and you, they talk now. My people go give food on Tuesday last week. When they come from Morocco, their motor get accidents. The only small akabat motor where we still buy, say they distribute food for palliative. Motor now, we not call get motor again. People, they trip, come, you ask me and you, they talk, and sometimes my guys, they run, come off for office, say, mommy, the queue there, we not call get food again. Only they say only one hand not fit carry lies come up for head now. You understand? Join me. Now I make together and I make right full pot. So I like that well to give me this opportunity. Make I talk. I beg you go still happy. Make people support us. We need car. We need equipment. We need sewing materials. We need hairdressing.
No problem,
because I don't know some of these children ask. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you very much. Make I take this opportunity to welcome your husband, Mr. Flames Sule. Thank you very much, Mr. Sule, for joining us. The thing will happen is say, as your wife don't talk now, this project we are doing a very good project. And in addition to waiting madam talk now, I will tell you one thing where personally me I take my eye see regarding the sickle cell situation. One of my best friends now for this Obodo Imbo London, one of my best friends, both him and his ex-wife, Naija, and when they date, they can't see say the blood types no match. Because both of them, it be like say wife now full blood, in get traces. And GP advised them, like we talk about our people, madam. GP advised them, say this thing where they do, you feel marry, you feel do anything, no born pikin, you feel go adopt if you want. They no listen. They born the pikin na bouncing baby boy. And the pikin, I see the pikin suffer till about 10 years old before the pikin die. When I say suffer, because the pikin no dey comfortable, always in pain and stuff like that. So, Mr. Sule, how do you educate our people about the dangers of this sickle cell situation to avoid it and not to bring another life into this world to come and suffer? This is very important. Give us very briefly because we managed to connect late. So we get very, very small time. So make you give us, before that, I will just hear some people, DJ Tony T, DJ Kashif the Flash, I didn't see you. Colin Legbede Budi, my brother, Dipo Oronti, and all you people who just the tuning, I hail you now. So Mr. Sule, very quickly, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. I thank you very much, sir. This is a great opportunity. You know, sometimes people they make mistake. They're not the one they understand saying a mistake they make. But room day for change, and you both can make them say change now something when it is very constant. You know, so room they always a day for change. So on a quick one, I go advise people if you say una want marry, una the friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, or fiancé, and the way that they call them there. Try make you first of all know what you carry for inside your body, your blood, your genotype. We don't call it genotype, but we for Nigeria will say check your body, what you day inside, whether na water, whether na acid, whether na chlorine, so that you go know where you go for put. Because if you carry chlorine, you're not supposed to follow chlorine. You can't go follow chlorine. Now their problem till they come. So now you go. They say you love madam, you love husband. What it go make sense? Not if you born pikin grow, you go school, you go university, you can't become matured person for society, they contribute. Now it go be the joy of parents. But it not go make sense, say you can't born pikin, the pikin they get crisis every year and there because of your own mistake. Because if your papa and your mama make the same mistake, they're not go born you. You can't stand now today to become man, to see the young woman where you say you love. So we not go make that mistake. So basically, make we take time, even if you love, check your blood, your genotype, check them. If you carry AA, if you as an entity, or you both say an entity, as a human being, only person will get AA blood group, blood genotype. Now go feel that one are universal. That is, it go match anywhere. If you as a person, you be AA, you can marry AS, you can marry SS, because your AA will not carry any threat. The threat now, when you see one S, that S na big problem. Now we they call am for Nigeria, say na sickler. Make we bring her come down, say the pikin na sickler. And in that time, when you go see the pikin, now so body go swell up, belly go swell up. You they give am indomie, you they give am burger, but belly go swell up like say get kwashoko. The pikin not the strong. You go to spend excess money. You go see pikin go they pay, or you go say pay. That's the skin go be like say get crocro, you get eczema, taripata. Now so they call am for worry that time. So why you go put pikin for that kind of condition? Because of one small mistake when you make that small mistake. Now for you to just carry your body, carry your I love you, go enter clinic, say, doctor, check this genotype, whether I go mash. If the woman get AS, you get AS. Una carry big one big threat. Una two feet mix together and I go born SS. If una born SS, now there be big problem. But if the man or the woman carry AA, then the other person carry AS, yes, una fit day together, because the only threat when you go come only one S, and that one S that they fit survive with time. Now, when the man carry SS and the woman carry AS, my brother, my sister, make you run, because that pikin as a land from beginning to the handy, now there be crisis, now there be problem, and it no go good. So you born pikin, you no go physically say your pikin they grow the way other people children they grow. So that aside, the Burmese Foundation for Sickle Cell and Early Marriage, now very important thing for this our society today. If you go north, you go east, you go west for our Obodo Naija. Now Indomie and Geisha and Sandine, now they marry people, children, prominent people are supposed to get like children where you go grow to tomorrow to become president, to become minister. They go take Indomie to marry them because of the high level of poverty when they did the country. And government regulation never come down so hard on them. So with the push with the Burmese Foundation, with the government parastatals and the all NGOs to say, make them bring down strong penalties for people when they marry now under age or you call them. Pikin when he never reach 18, he not get consent. Consent me say he not understand what they go on. Say okay, I go green marry. When pikin not get consent, papa carry a marriage. That papa suppose get the strong hand of the law upon the papa, because the pikin he not know what they happen. So now that area we can they look into. So in the future, all these kind of things know what they happen, because we they drive towards a better Nigeria, a better future. Even if we could not go change everything, but at least the society go to one stage where we say everybody will get this awareness. Awareness now they very important. So this awareness of this early child marriage now very important thing. Then on the other aspects, palliative. We not they give audio palliative. We not they give audio palliative. We not they government house where they go hide palliative for a caravan. Our small income, you go look and say, this my €1, this my $5. Now small thing. What thing this one go reach they do? But I go tell you, for inside that Obodo Naija, €1 can change 4 family life. As me and you they talk so. They go buy beans, they go cook them. Inside that beans, so now when they Delta State, they go take the beans, they eat a bar. They go still eat the beans. Now protein. Family life don't change. But to you, what is this? What will be this €1 or what will be this £1? So we take and they take make my I beg you, if you get $1, you get £1, you get a half cent. You feel say this thing, I go to run for grand. Give them to one family. You get one family where we say that your 1 cent. If you drop out for that house that day, you don't change life with that. So we go appeal to everybody, say this whole thing now for everybody. We not go wait for government. Within ourselves, within everybody. For those of you who get good mind, because to give na attitude, na character day, na inside body day, na inside blood day. So all these people for they call them community, that's in people around you. When you see them, when we gather them like this, someday we train them they give them education based on sewing. All the people they learn sewing, they learn sewing. Those when we say that they learn small skill acquisition program, or you go call them skill acquisition, as in they go learn work. The day what will they take care of? So all these things now for a better society, and for all these things put together. Now one vision now with the pursue. Our children, man go take born children go they healthy. Everybody at least go they happy for the society. So now so it be not pass like this. Now to read that, my brother.
Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you. You know, say sometimes this kind of thing where you and your wife just talk now, and they hear her, it be like something where be say now for inside Nollywood movie. Now you they see that kind of thing. You don't know, I know ever. Some of us no know say this kind of thing they happen for real. Where person go take pikin go borrow money. Now be say they put money above the life of their pikin. No be small thing, my brother. Are they baffled? Now we go quickly cross to Ghana because your organization where you and your wife set up a day international. In fact, now time will restrict us today. Maybe we go do another one because you get branch for Sierra Leone, you get representative. Today, I suppose link up with your representative from Kenya, but I never, because of the little complications where we get connection wise. But you get, you spread all over, and you they help, you they do the same cause. But I go ask Pastor Michael because Pastor Michael now they represent now for Ghana.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Tell us about the good works where they do for Ghana. My viewers, please bear with us. The connection in Ghana has got about a 5-10 second delay. So Pastor Michael can hear us, but it will take a few seconds before we start hearing him. Tell us about the good work where they do for Ghana, my brother. God bless you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I want to greet first of all greet my boss. You know, good morning, good morning, sir. Thank you for bringing me in and for this opportunity given to me also. It's not easy, but God will make a day. You know, Ghana, a very good place whereby everybody some people need for Ghana here need help. And by the grace of God, we they touch some other people's life one after the other in a different way in the name of Bemis Foundation. So, and the plan when the business will get for here now for the government, make the government know about the foundation very well for here. So we are working, they work to that one very well here now to make sure the government know about the foundation. Because what would they do for here now? We just touch people's lives small, whereby it never enter for Ghana, it never enter general public like that. So they work towards that, and we know say very soon everything will come to pass. To know what would they do for Bemis Foundation, and what would they do for Bemis Foundation like this now? It's not for only we at all. We need everybody to do it to kill into this particular project. Even by they talk about Matthew chapter 25. Matthew 25, if you start from 31 to 46, on the day when Jesus Christ will come, all these things we say what they do today, so we will give account to it. You know, because that day Jesus Christ will separate the just from the wicked. Because he go tell them, say, he go tell the wicked, say, when he dey sick, when he dey hungry, when he not get where to stay, nobody care about them. And the wicked people go ask and say, I will take see you where you dey. I will take see you and say you dey hungry, you need help, will not help you. And Jesus Christ, the reply when Jesus Christ give them for them, he say, anything what you do to my brothers, to my sisters, you do it unto me. People they suffer for here. One person cannot do this work alone. Only one person will feed one. Like all the explanation the person my boss don't give you today. Even the one say your husband don't give it today. They don't talk everything. No? Now for the people when they hear our voice now, may they key into this project to make us okay. We go far.
Thank you very much, my brother.
So when you look this place for the Bible, when you go through it very well, you will not say yes. What we are doing today,
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let me go back to Madam. By the way, our viewers, make you bear with us. So the name tag under Mrs. Sule is a talk saying that DJ Josilad. No, not be DJ Josilad. I mean be DJ Josilad. Our special guest name is Chief Mrs. Mercy Sule. So, Madam, quickly tell us about other places where you get branches.
Okay.
And all the things where they do there. Okay. So after that, I'll come back to your husband so that we can round up.
Okay. Thank you.
Very shortly, please.
Yes, sir. Like 3 days ago, the king of Obiakpe in Port Harcourt, he don't give us office. He don't hear our good news. He don't give us office, say make we carry a come for Port Harcourt too, because some of these girls, the query children, they do segregate mother, and they give belay to sex children. So that one now with the carry they go for Port Harcourt. We get branch for Abuja as well. Our secretary in Abuja. So because say this child marriage, say make I not go religion, but it did well for there. So we don't get branch, small office Kwakara for Abuja as well. We don't still get for Lagos. Like recently, we get many last week. Now, very, very tough week for me. Where they call me, say one woman won't commit suicide. You don't carry the snapper. I won't drink her. Now, so they call me money. One mama again. So now so in fact, this our NGO now unlimited. I know they sleep 24 hours. My phone they always ring. So we get branch for Lagos. We get for Ghana. We get for Sierra Leone. We get for Kenya, and we get for Abuja. Now we don't get for Cross River State now, which is for Port Harcourt. Now the headquarters na Isla, but the main office now worry because we get office for there where we they put food, where we they attend to people. So now waiting we get. And to the glory of God, I'm still intent to spread it around Africa. It's not because I be Nigeria or I be this. No, and this palliative, our office, not there my Ethiopia, not there my constituency. Now worry Aputa. That's to tell you, say Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, all tribe generally. Now we they take care of. We not get say because now Robo no. So that's why we they see the one call today. I don't they tire. If you wear my shoe, you go no say I not get service. Nobody does support us, and somebody get money for them. If you help, milk una buy us car. We need motor to go give all those papa there. Pensioner, I get one woman where we don't give house now. They work on the house. Now retired soldier wife, if you see where they stay, go to he pass them. They don't. Our pensioners, they nobody care for them. Now them and they take care of so. And I use my hand, knock my chest, say I bless God for the husband. I bless God for my team. I bless God for all my team members when they start by, when they help me. May God Almighty bless all of you all. And I'm free. Nobody they task me. They cooperate with me. Nobody will never they pay anybody. Everything what they do like our heart. So we they cry out, oh God DJ, please help us to cry out. May they give us support. We need machines. We need food. We need money. Cup of rice matter. Go drop her for the office at Otokutu. Bemis Foundation get office Otokutu Warri Express Road. Our number is everywhere. I beg, Mokuna support us, the whole world, America, Europe, any part. Our politicians, our celebrities, our robo big boys, they may AY, they may go die, they may what is it called now? What it be Gordons. We get big boys for robo. We get AY, yes, you be worried, bro. You know, bros. You know, so you be worried. He relate to you. I beg, we they cry, more fair, we they cry, our big brother, what is it called? Okay,
madam, we have to go now. I'll just give your husband the last word. Yeah, please, how do people contact you, my brother? Tell us the other countries where you they involved with and the projects where they do there very quickly, and give us all your contact handles, all your social media handles, all your contact details. So make our people they hear live, and anybody will watch this video, it go there for YouTube, it go there for Facebook. Everybody will watch up, make them know how they fit contact you. Like they do international. I hear you, my brother. Yeah, so please, Mr. Sule, Let's round up.
Let's round. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and I go beg you say some other time you go try make you give us one more opportunity someday somehow for your busy schedule so that we will still come talk more.
Guaranteed, guaranteed. We will get.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So basically, right now the contact is there for my madam phone there. You will see Bemis Foundation. At facebook.com, and if you go to the Facebook account, you will see all the phone number, all the WhatsApp, you will see our website, you will see everything clearly stated there. So if you key in there, I beg, just check anything say you will feel like say, okay, this foundation, okay, make I do one like this, make we do one like that. Just put your mind into it, with the appeal to everybody all over the world.
Very quickly again, give us the Facebook details slowly so that our people can take it on board.
Let me do that. Our Facebook handle is Bemis Foundation. That is for our Facebook handle. You want the account as well?
No, if everything is on your Facebook handle, they will pick it up from there.
Yes, everything is there as well. Yes, for Bemis Foundation page. If you go to our Bemis Foundation page, you will see everything when we do, and not be everything they don't upload for the Facebook.
Bemis Foundation is spelled BEMYS. Then Foundation FOUNDATION.
Thank you very much, my people. So on that note, we will leave it. Definitely we will get part 2 because we started a bit late today. Well, we started on time, but we connected a bit late. But definitely next time we will be contacting you to give us updates on your situation, see how far you've gone, and see how our people have responded to your request. Thank you very much. God bless you. So you can leave now, sir. You can leave now. Yes, so as we always do, we get very, very busy today. So we go make them sharp. Because my other guest is away. His name now, Mr. Easy. Mr. Easy Ken, the founder of Waiting Day radio station. So I go off as we always do. Forgive me. Within the next 5 minutes, I'll be back and we shall continue. Thank you very much.